Hello everyone, and welcome to Petals, Crafts, and More. Today we're going to make a beautiful orange wreath using oranges, orange picks, and gorgeous blue flowers. You'll see I'm showing you all of the supplies that we need. And we're going to cover, don't worry about the way that grapevine looks. I did not like it either. I'm finding the best place to start so I can cover up the worst spots. And we'll have it looking fine in no time. Just getting a few of those extra little things off of there. Now we're going to start with our bow. And as you can see, we have a beautiful orange bow, orange ribbon with blue polka dots that's going to tie in nicely with our flower selection. I wanted to go for a big bow. On hindsight, I may have went just a little bit too big, but I still like the bow. We made long tails. And then there we've got our pipe cleaner. We give it one twist, and then we twist the bow around the pipe cleaner. That secures it and tightens it. And then we're just going to feed those pipe cleaner stems through the vine and then secure it in the back. Just a handful of really good twists, and then put your remaining chenille stems into the vine, and that too will secure it. Now a little fluffing, but there's no sense in doing a lot of fluffing yet, because we got a long ways to go. We're going to roll these tails up to get them out of our way so I don't drop glue on them. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there was some wire sticking out of the edges, so I just trimmed them off with my wire cutter real quick. Now we're going to roll them up and get them out of the way. There you can see I went ahead and put some fern in place and kind of measured out the length that I want my arrangement to be. We're going to use a lot of the greenery that is just already on these picks. And I decided to go with these daisy picks because, as you can tell, they look just like the daisies on the orange picks. Now I'm trying to figure out if I can do it a whole piece, a whole pick, or if I'm going to have to break it apart. And I chose to break it apart. Don't forget to put a generous amount of hot glue on the tips of your stems so that they can kind of go through that grapevine and the glue just catch on to everything on the way through. And always go through at an angle. I wanted to put some eucalyptus in there, but I don't think it's time for it quite yet. So we're going to start with our flowers. I just love this shade of blue, and I think it just ties in great with that bow. And I've still not cleaned my glue pot, which is why I'm using the glue gun. It's got to be cleaned. It's just really bad, but I am just dreading it like crazy. You'll see that there's two different kinds of flowers there. I'm really not sure what the large bloom is. The other one is a daisy, which kind of goes in with those daisies as well. And I love the way this came out. Yeah, I'm just very proud of it.
Mama.
Okay, now you can see I'm inserting the orange. I went ahead and broke it apart, the pick apart, that is. And I wanted to keep the oranges and the daisies together there. It turned out a little bit more of a job than what I thought, but I did do it in the end.
Can I get some milk? I can't.
Didn't get enough glue on those, so I just flipped it around and glued it that way. Just wanted to make sure that it stays intact for the customer's door. And there we go. We've added some more oranges, some more daisies, another red flower, and I think it came out beautiful. I think we ended up with 4 picks of the daisies and 4 or 5 of the orange picks, and then 4 of those blue flowers. There we have it, all finished, ready to go. As I said, I'm really proud of that. And you'll notice that you don't see any of the bad parts of the grapevine itself. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to stay tuned to Petals, Crafts, and More for new designs all the time. And if you like what you see, then please feel free to hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And as usual, please, please, please share so more people can enjoy my wreaths. And I have opened up my Etsy account. It is Petals, Crafts, and More at Etsy. So go by and visit. See what I've got on there and buy you a beautiful wreath. Thank you again and have a wonderful day. God bless.